Hi children, let us start our new chapter, Algebraic Expression and Identities. That is chapter 9. So you have already studied in 6th and 7th algebra. So it is a continuation of this chapter. Okay, Algebraic Expression and its Identities. Now let us solve the problems, see what is algebraic expression, what is variables, what is constants. Yes? Okay, now we'll go to the chapter. Okay, algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions are formed by constants and variables. Along with the algebraic operations, arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction. Okay, in this picture you can see the algebraic expression. Okay, here constant, variables, operation and terms are marked. Constants means those are numbers where the value doesn't change. What is that? Number 3, 4, 5. The numbers 3, 4 and 5's value doesn't change. That is constant. The value is same. It never changes. But variables, the value changes. So we are giving values to the variables. According to that, the values will change. So these variables are denoted by the English alphabets. A, B, C, D, any in English alphabet you can represent for variable. Okay, here constant means the value doesn't change. Variables means the value changes, varies, changes, variable. Okay, now terms. Terms means it is a part of the algebraic expression. It has been divided by the operation plus or subtraction. Okay, it's a part of the algebraic expression. Term is a part of the algebraic expression. See here, it is given 7n is a term and 2 is a term. In this 7n, 7 is the coefficient, it is told. Coefficient means which is the number which is multiplied to a variable. Coefficient is the number which is multiplied to the variable. So variable is what? The English alphabet, which the value where its value changes, value varies is variable. Constants means it is the number. Here it is given 2. So number is the constant. Operation used here is addition. So the term, coefficient, variable, operation and constants. So let us see the definition now. Here the terms are there. In this, which are the terms? 5x and 3 are the terms. In this, 2 terms are there. They are 5x and 3. The operation used is minus sign. So coefficient means what I told. The number which is multiplied with the variable is coefficient. Okay. Variable means what? The alphabet. Constant means the numbers. Let us now read the definition. The part of an algebraic expression, the term. Okay. The parts of the algebraic expression, the terms. The part of the expression separated by addition or subtraction. Okay. Part of the expression separated by addition or subtraction. Variable is the unknown value represented by the letter in the algebraic expression. So English alphabets here, that is x, that is the variable. Okay, constant. The term in an algebraic expression that never changes. It is a constant value that never changes. Coefficient means the number which has been multiplied with the variable is the coefficient. Okay. Now let us see the next concept, polynomials. Okay. Polynomials means if it is, I told terms are there. If it is one term means, if it is only one term means there is no addition or subtraction, only one term is there means it is monomial. We call it as a monomial. Only one term is there means monomial. If 2 terms are there, it is binomial. If 3 terms are there, it is trinomial. Commonly we call it as a polynomial. If there are 4 terms, we call it as a polynomial. These monomial, binomial, trinomial, all are polynomials. But when it is separate, if it is one term means it is monomial, 2 terms means it is binomial. 3 terms means it is trinomial. Let us see here the example. See here, no addition or subtraction sign is there, only 3p square y. Okay, in between no addition or subtraction sign is there. So it is one term. We call it as a monomial. Binomial means, see here, it is 7y minus 3x. 2 terms are there. It is been separated by a negative or subtraction sign. Okay, so 7y is a term and 3x is another term. So 2 terms are coming. So it is binomial. Now next one. That is 2x cube minus 5t plus 9. In this, it is been separated by addition and subtraction sign. In this, 3 terms are there. First term is 2x cube. Next term is 5t. Next is 9. So 3 terms are there. So we call it as a trinomial. Monomial 1. Binomial 2 terms. Trinomial 3 terms. Okay. We call generally as polynomial. If it is a 4 term, you can call it as a polynomial. Now the next concept is like terms and unlike terms. Okay. So we told that the terms you can identify the terms here. Binomial is given. 2 terms are there. Okay. It is binomial. Now what is like term and unlike term? Okay. So like term and unlike term means if you are having same variable of the same power, then you call it as a like term. Okay. So see here, in this picture you can see 2x and 9x. Both variables are same, x only, and their power is 1. Power is also same. Okay. So x is appearing only 1 time. So these are like terms. Same variable, same number of times it is appearing. So it is like term. Unlike terms, example here it is given 2x and 19a. Here the variable is x and the other side the variable is a. Okay. So it is unlike term. Here you can see the w. Both the variables are same. So it is like term. Here w and w square is coming. So the exponent, that is the power is different. Power is different means it is unlike term. We can't add or subtract unlike terms. You can add and subtract only like terms. For addition or subtraction, for doing addition and subtraction, it can be done only for the like term where the variables are same. Okay, the English alphabets that are same with the same power. Okay. Now third one, that is 14.2 R and 12 R. Subtraction is coming, decimal is coming. Decimal is coming also, no problem. The variables are same. R is correct. But in this part R and S is coming, that can't be possible. But the numbers are 12 and 12. But that doesn't matter. The variables should be same. Okay. Next one, 32a square and 9a square. This side 32a square and 9a cube. A cube is coming. This both are different. A square and a cube is different. So it is unlike term. Here a square and a square is coming. So it is like term. Here 8y plus 5y. Both the variables are same. It is like term. Here 8y and 5. 5 is a constant. It is a number. It is a constant. No variable is there. So we can't tell that it is a like term. It is unlike term. Okay. Understood? Now we'll go to the next concept.